Hi guys, and welcome to today's episode of Draw With Me. Today we're going to be drawing a dog, and we're going to be drawing it with a pencil so we can go over it with a Sharpie later on, and I'll explain why. So let's start, and if you've seen our other videos, you know we always start with the eyes. Let's draw the eyes. And let's draw the snout. Draw the ears. Draw the body. Try and be really light with your pencil, as light as you can, because it's just an outline. You don't want to be really dark. And let's draw a straight line from there. Draw the front paws. And give it a few spots. Alright, so now let's go and move on to the Sharpie, and let's outline this dog with the Sharpie. Okay. The main reason I wanted to do the outline in pencil was so that we can go over it and add some fur. And the technique to do that is go over the line draw this outline again, but let's do it this time the Sharpie. So we draw the nose, color the eye in like so. And then shade in the nose. But now, as we're going to be doing the outline, we're not going to be doing it a straight line, but you're going to be doing it as small lines, and then break the line up with a few small lines. So that gives us effect that the dog has got fur all around it. Now this may take some practice, and it'd be nice if you can practice it a few times till you get better at it. But by doing that, it really makes the dog look really nice and alive. And there we go. That's just an easy and simple way of drawing a dog. Now we can, if you like, we can shade it in just a little bit. And it just makes the dog look that much nicer. You can even try and put some color in. And that's the last spot. Color it in nicely. After you're finished coloring it in, you can go in and erase all the pencil lines that you drew, and voila, there's your dog. I hope you had fun drawing this dog with me today, and if you like it, please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.